Jared Tones, what is up, y'all? I hope y'all are well and in amazing health out there. If you're new around here, let me tell you who I am a little bit. I am Jared. I am a voice teacher, speech trainer, and the proud founder and owner of this wonderful studio, the Jared Emliger Studio. Y'all, I'm late to the game with this video. I am late to the game. When this song originally dropped, I was in Spain at the time working, so I did not have the time or the equipment across the ocean to do this video. So I wanted to do it in honor of Black Panther coming out, so I wanted to release this analysis for that, because a few of you all have asked me for this song and I wanted to do it, but like I said, I was in Spain, so I didn't get to do it when the song dropped. But I hope you all still enjoy this analysis of this song in honor of Black Panther, y'all. So as I always say, this is more so an analysis and not a reaction. So if you want to kind of hear the song in full without me talking so much, then go on to another video. But if you like starting and stopping and things like that and talking about things in the moment as they happen, then this is the channel and the video for you. So y'all, let's do this video. Here's Rihanna singing Lift Me Up.
Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound.
One thing about her voice here already is there's more maturity and thickness to her voice. Most people would have said, lift me up, but she said, lift, lift. So that larynx dropped just a little bit, lift me up. So the vowel almost has an open undertone to it. Instead of lift, it was lift. Lift. The tongue is flatter, the larynx dropped a little bit, the throat is more open. Lift me up instead of lift me up, up instead of up, up. So everything's kind of more open and kind of more relaxed in execution vowel-wise. And that song gives her a more warmer, thicker timbre to her voice.
Burning in a hopeless dream, hold me when you go to sleep, keep me in the warmth of your love when you depart, keep me safe, safe and sound.
Burn, burn. There's a little nasality. Burning in a hopeless dream with that rounded vowel. Hold me when you go to. So that V limb is dropped, the soft palate is dropped. Hold me when you go to sleep. So she keeps that nasality undertone. It actually goes higher in her voice. The nasality comes in more. But the nasality never goes away. The nasality kind of stays in her voice the entire time she's singing this, so far, of what I heard. Yeah.
Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close.
Did you hear keep me close? Keep me close. So close had a little aspirate breathiness to it. Keep, more thicker, me close. And it wasn't close, close, close. So the diphthong was there slightly, but the diphthong was kind of not omitted, but it was lessened greatly. Keep me close instead of close, close. Yeah, it almost gives a dreamy, ethereal, heavenly tone to this song. And this is also really nice to hear Rihanna do something like this. You know, she's been gone for so long. For her to come back and sing a song like this, you know, I feel like it shows maturity, it shows evolution as an artist, and I really enjoy the execution behind this song. It really gives the feels, if you will, that they want us to feel for this song and for this movie.
Safe and sound. Drowning in an endless sea. Take some time and stay with me. Keep me in the strength of your arms. Keep me safe, safe and sound.
She went to that thinner forward head voice. Keep me safe, safe and sound. But it's had a breathiness in there. So at the beginning of that verse right there, she had that nasality coming in. Na, 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 And then she switched to that headier, thinner fold, breathy, falsetto-y spot. Oh, towards the top, almost like a sigh. Really nice. I really like this. This is so different than what I've heard her do in the past. This is so next. This is so evolved, and I really enjoy hearing this on her. Did you hear that run on sleep? Sleep. Each time she says this stanza, this bridge or whatever, it evolves a little bit. There's a little bit more added in the vocal line where she embellishes a little bit more, or she adds vocal layers of harmony and things like that. Each time this song progresses and kind of repeats a part, it evolves and it grows in thickness, in musical thickness, if you will.
Keep me safe.
Clarity here that she has in her voice. She's really using these thick folds, kind of a chestier spot, but really coming from a lighter approach in that. So she's not pushing all the way, but you still hear that nasality and that thicker fold placement that she had, the chestier placement that she has in her voice right here. And I like how she's using the ad-libs here. I need love, I need love, I need love. And I know I didn't do it just right, but just how she's kind of framing the parameters of her ad-libs to go around the music and still staying true to the message and the feel of the song. You don't want to do too much of a song like this. It's really pretty and heavenly and kind of lofty in that way, you know, so you want to kind of keep that calm nature with it, you know, kind of like angels flying and things like that. So I really like how she's using the ad-libs to kind of paint this angelic, heavenly undertone for this song. If you enjoyed this analysis, click subscribe down below, then click the alert button next to it so you know when the next video is posted. And as I will always say to you, be vocally bold, creative and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. All right, y'all. See y'all soon.